Yes, ma'am, it's done.
Thank you, ma'am.
It's okay. Okay, now Lakshita, you continue.
On to six yokes of oxen or horses. By the early 20th century, the farmers in the Great Plain were breaking the ground with tractors and disc plows, clearing vast stretches for wheat cultivation. Once the crop had ripened, it had to be harvested before the 1830 century. The grain used to be harvested with the cradle or sickle at harvest time. Hundreds of men and women could be seen in the fields cutting the
Cutting the crop.
invent first mechanical which could cut in one day as much as 10 with a cradle and 16 men with sickles. By the early 20th century, most farmers using combined harvests to cut grain. With some of these machines, 500 acres of wheat could be harvested in 2 weeks. Big farmers of the Great Plains, these machines had many attractions. The prices of wheat were high and the demand seemed limitless. The new machines allowed these big farmers to rapidly clear large tracts, break up the soil, remove the grass, and prepare the ground for cultivation. The work could be done quickly with a minimal number of hands with power-driven machinery, form and plow, seeds and harvest 2,000 to 4,000 acres of wheat in a season.
Okay, Lakshita. Now, in this point, it was the time of the early of 18th century and new technology which were introduced from everywhere in the world. Okay, and here this new technology made a dramatic expansion of wheat. Means with the help of this new technology, there were lots of hello. Now there were lots of expansion of wheat. And in the 9th century, the settlers means that farmers who settled from one place to another, that settlers moved into the new habitat. New habitat means new place, okay, and new lands. And that settler modify their implements to meet their requirement. That settlers move to the new land and then they modify their land and then after they meet their requirements. Whatever their requirements, they meet them. Then they entered in the Midwestern prairie. Okay, prairie is the name of a means in England in America there is a land means एक ऐसी land है एक ऐसा घास है मतलब एक बहुत बड़ा ground है जहां पर घास है बहुत अच्छी वो land है और उस जगह को prairie कहा गया. Okay, so prairie is the name of a land. Clear? And this land was so cultivated land and so fertile land. तो मतलब कि अगर कोई आपसे ये क्वेश्चन पूछे कि वेयर इज द ग्रेनरी ऑफ अमेरिका और यूएसए मतलब कि जो यूएसए का अनाजालय है ग्रेनरी मतलब GRANARY ग्रेनरी मतलब जहां पर अनाज को रखा जाता है. ठीक है मतलब जहां पर अनाज का भंडार हो तो वो जगह प्रेरी ही है. Remember this. So in this place and it is Midwestern prairie where the farmer plow used to the eastern coastal area of the USA proved ineffectively. मतलब that place grow more and more cultivations or crop, and this prairie covered with a thick mat of grass. Okay, underline this. This prairie with tough roots. Okay, and the break the soil over a variety of new clover devised local. Their front rested on small wheel and they were hitched onto 6 yoke of oxen or horses. Means on that time वो जो prairie ground था उसमें जो grass था वो बहुत ही उसकी root जो थी that was very strong. So वहाँ पर मतलब कि उस खेतों में flow करने के लिए मतलब हल चलाने के लिए जो वो लोग use करते थे they are the yoke, oxen और horses. ओके, जैसे आप लोगों ने देखा होगा कि पहले खेती बाड़ी जो करते थे लोग वो बैलों की हेल्प से, आजकल तो वो ट्रैक्टर वगैरह आ गए हैं ना, लेकिन पहले बैल वगैरह हुआ करते थे, उनकी हेल्प से जो है वो खेत को मतलब फ्लो किया था. और तो इंग्लैंड अमेरिका में ये यॉर्क, ऑक्सन और horses के थ्रू किया जाता है. And the farmer in the great plain were breaking the ground with tractor and disc plow. It was stretched for wheat cultivation. But when the new technology was introduced, then on the farmers on that time, then farmer used the tractor and disc plow. Okay, मीन्स पहले ये चीजें यूज होती थी, पर जब न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी इंट्रोड्यूस हुई उसके बाद हमारे पास ट्रैक्टर हो गए और हम लोगों ने ट्रैक्टर की हेल्प से खेती बाड़ी करना शुरू की. देन वंस द क्रॉप हैड राइप इट हैड टू बी, अब क्रॉप जो है वो पक गया है, राइप पक जाना, और अब उसको काटना है. ओके, हार्वेस्टेड मतलब उसकी पूरी जो प्रोसेस है उसका, उसको काटना, उसको विनोइंग, उसकी थ्रोइंग, मतलब इस जो प्रोसेस है वो चलते हैं. देन इन द 1830 दैट ग्रेन यूज्ड टू बी हार्वेस्ट विद ए क्रेडल और सिकल. मतलब अभी भी बहुत सी जगहों पर इवन हर जगह पर ऐसा है कि हम मतलब वो सिकल मीन्स वो दराटी जो होती है उससे जिससे घास काटते उसकी हेल्प से पूरे हार्वेस्ट को उस पूरी जो पका हुआ अनाज होता है उसको काटते हैं. ओके, एट हार्वेस्ट टाइम 100 of men and women could be seen in the field. मतलब during the harvest time when the crop was ripe and on that in the field for cutting the crop. Okay, and they used sickle. But in 1831 Cyrus McCormick invented, now you underline this name, McCormick. Everyone underline this name, Cyrus McCormick invented the first as much as sickle. Then this is here the Cyrus McCormick is the person who invented the first mechanical McCormick invented the first that machine can do